Senator Judge Rafi, you are recognized, sir. You may proceed. You have 2 minutes, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Presiding Officer. Kayo po ay nag-reply sa AOM from COA for the check number 244027 dated 20 December 2022. Ano po yung proseso na ginagawa nyo once kayo po ay nakatanggap ng AOM or disallowance?
Good morning, Your Honor. When we receive AOMs within the office, once we receive it, we inform of course, the Chief of Staff and of course also the head of agency of the AOM. We send them a copy for their information.
Do you investigate?
Once meron na pong instruction to kung sino po yung magko-conduct ng review, then that's the time po that we conduct a necessary review for
Do you ask
the reply.
questions?
Yes, sir, to the concerned na mga
To the concerned.
concerned na mga divisions.
What questions do you ask, for example?
Usually, sir, we ask point per point on what is
Point per point, okay.
point per point what is indicated in the AOM, so
Yes.
that we can also address the concerns point by point.
Very good. Now, isa sa mga AOM ay observation ng COA, kulang sa mga dokumento. Halimbawa, itong sinabi rito, 170,000 at marami to by the millions. 170,000 for the payment of reward, open and closed medicines. Did you not ask, ano ba talaga to? Anong klaseng medicine ang binili? Kasi ang pagkakalam ko, meron kayong pera from confidential funds, binigay nyo doon sa informant para siya nang bumili ng medisina.
Yes, sir. Yun po
Did you
yung-
ask kung anong medisina binili para sa medisina bibili nung informant, yung pera?
When the time na nag-consult po ako with the security officer, sir, I did not ask anymore on the specifics, but I asked on paano po yung naging process nila in terms of noong pag-release ng funds for the informants or for the agents.
Sir, you are a very highly educated person from prestigious schools. Come on, it doesn't make sense. It defies logic. Tatanungin mo dapat to protect Sarah kasi very close ka kay Sarah. Teka muna, anong klaseng mga medisina binili? Nasaan yung reseta? Kasi mali mo, baka namin hindi binili ng medisina, baka binili ng drugs, whatever, baka may nagbulsa ng pera. Dapat, yun kasi yung kailangan ng, COA, di ba? Resibo.
At the time po, sir, when I consulted with the security officer, sir, I was not able to ask anymore on
Why
the
not?
details, sir.
It's part of your job. In fact, pumirma ka doon sa pag-reply mo sa AOM.
I asked, sir,
So
kung ano
pumirma
yung
ka
process.
nakapikit. Yes, sir.
No, sir, hindi naman po na nakapikit, sir, because nagtanong naman po ako sa security officer namin, sir, on how it was released or implemented on the ground. So, kung ano po yung nabigay na information, sir, yun po yung nailagay ko sa pag-draft po ng reply to the AOM.
Hindi mo rin tinanong bakit pare-pareho yung signature sa different names ayon sa NBI, forensic, tapos pare-pareho yung handwriting sa different names, parang isang tao lang nag-fill up, meron pa nga walang signature at nag-receive ng by the hundreds of thousands each.
Sir,
You didn't ask? Bakit mo tinanong, hindi mo tinanong, bakit pusa, bakit ito si Pagong, pinagtatawanan tayo ng tao, etc. Why? Did you not ask?
Sir, at the time, sir, hindi ko po nakita yung mga acknowledgement receipts, sir. I was only made aware of the acknowledgement receipt, sir, when it was already shown during the HOR na mga hearings, sir.
Hindi kasi pag nagtanong ng attachment, then di ba sabi mo you ask questions point by point, you investigate, then kinuha mo sana yung mga dokumento and then pinakita sa iyo and then nagtanong ka point by point like you said, and then you are a very educated person, you should have asked a lot of questions to satisfy dun sa request ng COA.
Sir, I
Kasi
did not-
tulad yan, pusa, Pagong. Imposible hindi mo nakita yan. Tapos pare-pare yung pirma sa isang same handwritings para sa napakaraming pangalan at saka iisang pirma sa napakaraming pangalan according to the NBI Forensic. You didn't ask?
Sir, at the time po, sir, I did not see the acknowledgement receipts.
Come on,
po,
sir. Like I said, napakatalino mong tao sa credentials mo. Dating professor, Ateneo, UP, di ba? And then, now, parang, sorry sir, parang nagmaang-maangang ka.
Proceed when you're ready and you have 2 minutes.
Mr. Witness, sakitin ba ang marami sa inyo mga informants? May mga malalang sakit ba sila?
Sir, that I would have no personal knowledge po, sir.
You should. Kasi ito, ang dami. 170,000, 50,000, 200,000 each informant. So para mabigyan nyo ng napakalaking halaga bawat isang informant pambili ng gamot, dapat magtataka ka. Anong gamot kayong bibili nito? Bilang isang intelihenteng tao, I know you're very intelligent, you're very smart. Did you not try to ask? O at least nagtaka? Baka may rheuma, arthritis, nagpapakimo. You should have asked. At kung mga bata nga, inquisitive yung mga bata, anong gamot ang bibilin mo? Paghingan mo pera ng bata, kunyari, Toy, pahingin pera, bili akong gamot. Anong gamot bibilin mo, kuya? Bata yun na, grade 1. Ikaw pa kaya? Why?
At the time po, sir, I did not ask anymore kay Colonel Lachica, sir.
Why not?
Because, sir, I already gave I trusted what the security officer mentioned to me, sir.
But it is your responsibility to know. Kasi ikaw ang pumipirma doon sa AOM.
Sir, in terms of the responsibility to know, sir, I'm not sure, sir, if I'm the one who's responsible to know, sir. But the
So
task
you're
to
not
me,
sure. That means, ayoko nang gumamit ng pangsalita. It's unbelievable. It defies logic talaga, really, sir. You're not really making sense at all. Anyway, move on tayo. Yung, alam mo naman sa DOH, nagbibigay ng libreng gamot. Meron
Yes,
kayong mga medical assistance program.
Yes, sir.
Oh, ba't di na kayo humingi sa DOH? In fact, by the hundreds of millions and billions, nag-expire lang dyan sa bodega ng DOH, natatapon lang. Sayang. So dapat humingi na lang kayo sa DOH. Bigyan nyo lahat ng informant nyo ng kung anong klaseng gamot. Libre pa. Nakalibre kayo.
The wisdom behind how the confidential funds were implemented, sir, I cannot answer, sir, because again, sir, I am not the main implementer for the said activities.
Kaya
sir.
nga, Mr. Smart Guy, nung makita mo na ang dami mga informant na binigyan ng mga hundreds of thousands each para sa gamot, you could have asked La Chica and said, La Chica, bakit di tayo pumunta sa DOH, maghingi tayo ng gamot para makalibre, makatipid tayo sa confidential funds? Libre naman sa DOH. Pag Office of the President maghingi, may budget, meron kayo allocation doon, I'm sure. In fact, sa Davao, ginagawa nyo na yun eh.
Sir, that I cannot answer, sir.
So again, it defies logic. Hindi po kapani-paniwala ang mga pinagsasabi mo. Sir, for me, it really defies logic. Sayang po yung pagkatalino mo rito. Nasira po yung pagiging isang matalino mong tao. Nakakahiya po dun sa mga eskwelahan na kung saan ka nag-aral at nag-graduate. Because ngayon, pinakita mo na nagsasalita ka na para kang sorry sir, nagtatanga-tangahan. Salamat po sir. Pasensya na sir.
Your Honor, with all due respect, Your Honor, I personally take offense of that comment, sir. I actually just did my duty, sir. At the time, sir, I believe na yun po yung kailangan kong gawin bilang isang empleyado po, sir. And I did my work, sir, based on what was tasked of me, sir, including the limitations that I can do to the duty that I will be doing, sir.
So you're talking about limitation. Ikaw ang deputy COS and then malapit ka kay VP Sara and then pirma mo ang nakasaad doon sa AOM. So karapatan mo po magtanong. Okay? Now, you're talking about taking offense. Paano naman po yung mga taong bayan? They're being offended sa paglulustay nyo ng pera. Lumilito na parang nilulustay ang pera dito eh. Pera ng taong bayan po ito ang pinag-uusapan natin. If you're taking offense, mas lalo pong offended ang napakaraming Pilipino ngayon. Kasi hindi mo pa naibibigay ang tamang sagot. Pero kung naibigay mo ng magandang sagot, logical na sagot, then mawawala po yung sama ng loob ng taong bayan sa inyo.
Sir, with all due respect, sir, I believe, sir, this matter of the confidential fund, sir, is still pending the final decision, sir. We are currently still submitting our motion for reconsideration on this one, sir. And we still have not received any final reply on this one.
What
So,
I'm talking
in
about, sir, is yung mga sagot niyo po, it defies logic para sa isang matalinong tao. Kasi kung ako, sir, pinesenta sa akin yung mga ganong klaseng dokumento at nagtanong ako at hindi nasagot ng maayos, I will resign. Kaysa naman makulong ako. Kaysa naman maipit ako ngayon tulad nangyari sa'yo at saka mga previous witnesses. Di ba? Dalawa lang yun eh. Patuloy kang magbubulag-bulagan, pirma ka lang ng pirma dyan, nakapikit. Pero, ang consequence yan, maaari kang makulong, maaari kang makasuhan. Anything can happen. Or, mag-resign ka na lang. Kung ako, I will resign. Mapapahamak ako dyan, ba't ako pipirma dyan? Bakit ako pipirma sa mga nakalagay pagong, piatos, pikit, etc., kung ano pa mga kengkoy na mga pangalan, I would not consent to that. Outright sabihin ko, pag hindi niyo may paliwanag sa akin, I will resign.